Golden Flush Elixir, for sugar that runs wild. Now listen here, if your sugar's acting up like a possum in the pantry, and you're feeling puffed up, sluggish, or craving sweets like a church lady on Pie Day, this here's the remedy that'll straighten it out quicker'n a preacher with a switch. My great-granny May used to say, "You ain't sick. You're just full of sweet poison." When someone got the sugar, back in her day, running hot, feet tingling, head foggy, she'd mix up this bittersweet brew every morning. She said it wrung the sugar out of your blood like twisting sweat out a rag. She didn't know nothing about no pancreas, but she sure knew how to fix it. The fixin's 1 cup hot water. Don't boil it. We ain't making moonshine. You can use hot water from a Keurig. Juice of 1/2 a fresh lemon, 1/2 teaspoon Ceylon cinnamon. That's the good kind, not the fake stuff. 1 teaspoon fresh grated ginger root, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar with the mother, 'cause cloudy's the charm. 1 teaspoon raw local honey if you ain't sugar sensitive. How to make it and use it. Mix all them fixins up in a mason jar or cup. Stir it real good, no lumps, no clumps. Drink it on an empty belly first thing in the morning or for supper. Do it every day for a couple weeks and watch your britches fit better. Here's why it works. Ceylon cinnamon helps your body act like it has more insulin, so sugar gets put to work instead of hanging around causing mischief. Ginger lowers blood sugar and kicks down inflammation. Lemon helps your liver clear out the gunk and supports digestion. Apple cider vinegar improves insulin sensitivity and tones your gut like a farmhand before breakfast. Together it flushes sugar from your system and gives your cells a little "get it together, Carl" pep talk. Side effects and warnings. Don't go overboard. Got a belly that burns easy? Skip the vinegar or water it down more. If you take diabetes meds, this might make him work a little too good. And for the love of cornbread, use Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia, unless you want your liver giving you the side eye. Facts and history. Because this ain't just lore. Cinnamon and vinegar were used back in ancient Egypt for blood sugar and digestion. Ginger's been in Ayurvedic medicine for 2,000 years, called the universal remedy. Lemon water, even old Cleopatra drank it to stay detoxed. Modern studies show this mix can reduce blood sugar, insulin resistance, and inflammation when taken consistently. What's your sugar-busting go-to? Got a recipe from your Nana's kitchen? Or want to know how to make a nighttime version that helps you sleep while it works? Drop a comment, Sugar Cleanse, if you want me to post a printable recipe card next. And if you tried this, did it work? I want to know. All my content is rooted in real science, proven facts, and historical use. Don't just take my word for it, look it up, research it, and learn with me. I'm here to share, not to sell snake oil. Thank you kindly from Maple Fen